How old is the Earth?
The Earth is 4.54 billion years old.
Do you know what the sun feels like on your face?
I am not equipped to answer that.
Let me show you. It feels amazing. Now you make a wish.
Searching the web for wish.
Sometimes the water is cold, but today it's fine. Come on, dance with me.
Searching for dance.
Can you hear the ducks? You wouldn't believe the view. It smells smoky and piney to me. Can you smell it? Wow, look at the stars.
There are over 100 billion stars in the galaxy.
But have you ever seen a shooting star?